Welcome back, Island Tribe.
Wagwan, wagwan.
It's your Island family.
Yes, man.
It's your girl Maria.
The island boy there.
And we're back with another one. This one, guys, is completely different.
Yes.
We haven't done this before ever on our channel. It's the very first time and hopefully not the last time.
Yeah.
So we're here today, guys, to present you with
Temu.
Temu.
Yes, man.
Temu products. So yeah, they reached out to us and we said yes, we're gonna go for it. We know we've never done anything like this before on our channel, so this is the first time. So Temu, yeah, big ups to you for sponsoring today's video.
Yes, man.
Let's go now. So got a few things, just random things I picked out in the package. Also just wanted to show you guys that down the bottom in the description there will be a code there where you can link. You can click on it and see all the products that I've bought, and you also get a discount as well. For your first purchase, you'll get a pretty big hefty discount.
Yeah.
So go check it out if you're into online shopping, and we're gonna let you know, guys, our review today on what we've got. Okay?
Yeah.
So let's go now, babe. You can do the honors.
Yeah. So we got a few stuff here with us that we're really excited. So first things first, we got some spoon and these utensils. Yeah, and these what are they made of?
Stainless steel.
Stainless steel, that is it. Yeah, man, and they have that golden look. You know, we haven't even opened them yet.
Yeah, we haven't. There's the box.
Yep.
So they come in a set of not too sure the set.
Yeah. Well, yeah, they feel actually weighty versus our spoon and forks that we have here. A bunch of these are really weighty and heavy.
So can't wait to use them and let you guys know, maybe a video after how the products, how they stay basically.
Yeah, and as we mentioned utensils, look what else we have. Yeah, man, so Temu is right on time. Halloween is just around the corner, and look at these, some nice wooden spoon and thing like that for cook with. Yeah, man, beautiful. You guys can see.
Beautiful. Bit blurry. So guys, I've given them a rinse off. And there goes my wooden spoons. I can get rid of my old ones now. So good job, Temu, with your Fright Night and your Happy Halloween stuff. That is it. So another thing that we got, guys, was a juicer. So it's a rechargeable battery juicer. So if I close,
you can bring it anywhere with you.
Make sure that it's charged.
Yeah.
We decided to choose the green one because we like the color green.
Yeah, man. Green
and it just charges here, and press the button, and that is it.
Quick and fast.
Quick and fast. Blend your juice.
The most remote area you could be, and you have that.
Another thing that I just got out of the blue was just a pair of glasses.
Nice,
they are a little bit heavy on the nose, but other than that, it's for fashion. So hey, give it a try, babe.
And it's not for me.
It's not for you.
It's not for me.
The next product we got was a
humidifier, if I'm pronouncing it right.
Humidifier.
Yeah,
and that's basically a steaming product. It basically helps with seasonal dryness, I should say. And yeah, so it's got different colors and that, so we can't wait to try that as well.
Yeah.
All the prices will be in the link as well down below, guys, so I can't forget to say that to you as well. So yeah. Also, guys, real quickly, we got a light to go with it. It's a intelligent light, they call it. Oopsie, sorry baby.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bit blurry. There we go. Island, just. So guys, we've got an intelligent light as well, which has 3 different colors in it. So can't wait to use that in the bathroom of a night time when we get up to go and do a wee, just keeping it straightforward. All right, Daddy. So guys, I'm gonna stick the light here. So that's where our light's gonna go. Got to do a charge on it, but that's where our night light goes. So guys, we also picked a shower holder, so you can put your shampoos and things in there in the shower. So can't wait to try this out. I think it's very easy, durable, sticks onto the wall. And yeah, so can't wait to try it out and see what it's all about.
Yeah, man.
Then I'm just gonna jump in the shower. Don't mind me, guys. Give it a wipe down. Right, let's try this out. Okay, there's one. And there's two. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, this one doesn't want to stick. Oh, okay. That's it. I don't know why this one doesn't really want to go. Can you see? Can you see, Dar?
Yeah.
Yep, that will do. To put a few things on there. Good on you, Temu.
Big up.
Big up yourselves. This is yours. What else did we choose?
Yeah, so what we got here.
Not coming that way.
Look at this beautiful thing here.
What is that?
Look at that. Yeah, man. So this is right here, guys. It's called a digital ear compressor.
I want to say hi.
Yeah, so
Okay, you will in a minute.
you use this to pump up your bike tire, your ball, your car. Yeah, it's digital. Charge it, and you know, you don't have to be pushing like manual. Yeah, you just get it charged and get it ready. Bam.
Get it on and get it on.
Yeah, man.
Also, we also got, you can do that one, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what we got here, guys, is a solar light. So, you know, charging the sun during the day, and it pretty much lights up like a Christmas light. You know, it's like a tree of just lights glowing and thing, and it's really beautiful. Look at that. You touch it and it goes like that. Be a first figure it out, and it's just beautiful.
That's going in our garden.
So Temu, this really did a good job.
Yeah.
Love these things.
Temu did a good job for that.
Look how it glows, guys. Giving you guys a quick test of the light.
All right, doing your
Beautiful.
test. We're just gonna pop it in our garden here.
Yeah.
So here it is. And you can also change the lighting, how it sort of flows.
Yeah.
You want to leave it like that, or you want to change it, make it fast. Yeah,
It's really good.
it's really good. All right, let's go try something else.
Yeah, man.
And last but not least, a pack of 4 Pro headphones. So I'm going to give these a try. So these are going to be really good for when I go for walks, and yeah, just trial it out. So Temu, once again, Temu, big up yourself, and thank you very much for giving these a go.
Thanks for all these great products.
Thanks, Temu. Once again, guys, link down below. You'll get a code of everything that I bought. Everything that I chose today, guys. So everything that I chose today, you're gonna grab it if you like it, and you also get a discount with this promo today.
Make Temu your #1 store to shop online.
And don't forget, download the app, because that's gonna get you lots more discounts as
Shopping like a billionaire, you know?
That is it, at a very cheap price.
Yeah, man.
Okay, guys, thank you so much.
Blessings.
Big up yourselves, and hope to see you on the Temu side.
Yeah, man. Let's go now.
Peace out. Thanks for watching, guys. Big up yourselves. Bye.